Hey people, so ever since the lockdown has begun, I have this particular uniform that I'm wearing, either this red dress or that white color one. If you notice in my videos, it's either this or that. Because for me now, I'm looking at it as years from now, whatever, at least months from now, whatever. Whenever I look at these videos, I'll remember these videos for having been shot during the lockdown time. So, no, reason I'm saying this is. Like so sweet, someone had requested me to make a eye healing video. So with regard to eye healing also, the system that you need to adopt is just do something every single day. So I mean, for instance, like I said, eye healing, eyes are a muscle. So the more you exercise it, the better it gets. So that's what simple things like at the School of Perfect Eyesight, which is in Pondicherry, we are taught that you should look from one end, then blink, then look to the other side, then blink, then up, then blink, then look down and blink, then diagonally up, then blink, then look down and blink, then this way. Okay, this is crazy. And also you can form the figure 8 with the eyes. And uh, it's been said that the whole act of blinking is what relaxes the eyes, because when we are watching anything on screen or anything, we almost sometimes forget to blink, which is not such a good thing. Blinking in itself, it's a certain exercise for the eyes, right? So this is a very long video, but no, since someone had asked me for it, I felt I should make the video. And I need to say this, people, that what happens is, many a time with regard to eye healing, there are enough and more videos online, but during my classes I teach certain fundamental things that it's like a light bulb moment goes off. I've spoken about it in one of my other videos, but what I feel is, it's that one needs to understand these certain fundamental concepts about the eyes, and then and then with a lot of practice, everyday practice, then you're on your way to having good eyesight. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.